Welcome to China Connect. We're your laugh-out-loud passport to China's best. Explore and let's discover China now, with a giggle. Today, we're taking a leap into the future, or rather, a catapult into the microgravity of outer space, right here on Earth, with the groundbreaking 4-second electromagnetic catapult microgravity experiment device. Emerging from the ingenious minds at the Space Application Engineering and Technology Center of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, this device is not just another piece of tech. What sets it apart is its remarkable ability to create a microgravity experimental environment on Earth. Yes, you heard that right. With this device, scientists can simulate the gravity of the Moon or Mars without leaving the confines of their lab. This groundbreaking device uses electromagnetic catapult technology to fling an experimental cabin into the air after accelerating it to a predetermined speed. During the cabin's ascent and descent, the experimental payload within experiences a microgravity environment. This cutting-edge technology has opened up a portal of possibilities for space science experiments, providing them with a unique opportunity for ground verification. Let's delve a bit deeper into what makes this device so special. According to Zhang Yongkang, associate researcher at the Electromagnetic Technology Room of the Space Application Center, the electromagnetic microgravity device holds a significant edge over traditional microgravity facilities. Unlike traditional drop towers that can only conduct 2 to 3 experiments daily, or parabolic aircraft that require a hefty 2 to 3 months of preparation, this device can execute nearly 100 experiments daily with a preparation time of just 1 to 2 days. That's a quantum leap in efficiency, enabling scientists to conduct large-scale experiments and significantly accelerate their research progress. But the advantages of the electromagnetic microgravity device don't stop at efficiency. This device brings a new era for the use of scientific instruments in space experiments. Traditional drop towers, during the recovery phase, subject the experimental payload to an impact of about 20 g, 20 times the gravity acceleration. This significantly limits the use of conventional scientific instruments. In stark contrast, the electromagnetic microgravity device provides a consistently controlled electromagnetic driving force throughout the experiment, ensuring that the cabin's recovery acceleration is controlled around 3 g, 3 times the gravity acceleration. This makes it suitable for regular scientific instruments, expanding the scope of experiments that can be conducted. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room: cost. Despite its high-tech nature, the electromagnetic microgravity device is surprisingly cost-effective. Running entirely on stored energy and electromagnetic drive technology, each experiment uses only about 1 degree of electrical energy. This low operational cost, coupled with its high efficiency, paves the way for large-scale scientific experiments, making groundbreaking research accessible and affordable. In terms of global standing, this device is not just impressive, it's a world leader. Providing a 4-second microgravity time, a microgravity level of 10 μg, 1/10,000th of gravity acceleration, and an overload acceleration not exceeding 5 g, this is the first electromagnetic catapult microgravity experiment device in Asia. In fact, it's leading the charge globally, firmly placing China at the forefront of space exploration technology. China is already planning the next big step. The Space Application Engineering and Technology Center of the Chinese Academy of Sciences is planning the construction of a 20-second electromagnetic catapult microgravity experiment device. The aim is to achieve a microgravity time of 20 seconds and a payload of 500 kilograms, setting new international standards. This device will play a crucial role in constructing an international micro/low gravity experiment center, providing a highly efficient and convenient research platform for scientists working in the field of space science. As we wrap up this episode, let's pause and marvel at the wonder of human ingenuity and the incredible advancements that are happening right now in the realm of space science. The 4-second electromagnetic catapult microgravity experiment device is not just a story of technological advancement, it's a testament to human ambition, the relentless pursuit of knowledge, and the incredible potential that lies in the intersection of curiosity and innovation. So, there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the world of microgravity and the pioneering 4-second electromagnetic catapult microgravity experiment device. A device that's not just revolutionizing space exploration and scientific research, but also symbolizes China's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Thanks for exploring China with us. Hit like, comment, and share for laughs. Subscribe and drop your thoughts below. Let's keep showcasing this amazing nation. See you in the next funny video.